Welcome to another episode of Gill Construction Solutions Ask Annie. Have you ever wondered how you might save some money on a bathroom remodel or renovation? Let's talk about some options that are available to consider that won't break your budget. One item you can do is keep the basic layout the same in your bathroom. This can avoid plumbing changes and, those plumbing charges. Another option would be to consider um, looking at materials that look like real stone but are budget friendly and easier to keep clean. Three items here I'd like to look at are your luxury vinyl flooring. Those planks that simulate the look of wood or stone. Another item would be solid surface countertops. They can look like natural stone and are half the cost of quartz and granite. Utilizing solid surface panels in your shower or tub surround is also a good option. It can look like stone and yet again is less expensive. What else can you do, you might ask? Well, instead of replacing your vanity, how about refinishing it or having it painted? Often just replacing your hardwood like your hardware, not your hardwood, replacing your hardware like your drawer pulls, your faucets, your lighting, and mirrors can really update your bathroom without making any other changes. Replacing the cabinet top and sink is something that can be done at the time you're renovating your shower or tub area, or it's something you can choose to do at a later time. If you enjoyed today's information, please like, share, or post a comment below. I'm Annie Good, and it's my pleasure to bring you value and insight to your projects. See you next time.